Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to claim Shopee insurance. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing what we need to do is head on over to Shopee and then log into your account. Once you've logged into your account, hover over your name and go into my purchases. Now once you're inside of here, find the order you want to claim insurance for. Now we want to file a return or refund, so click view details on the order, look for a return refund or request refund button, select the reason, for example item not received, damage or wrong item, upload proof photos or videos of item packaging or delivering, and then submit that request. Now from here you're going to wait for the review, so the seller will review your request first. If the seller rejects, Shopee or the insurance provider will mediate, and then you need to receive refund. So once approved, the refund will go to your original payment method. Processing usually takes around 1 to 7 business days. Now there are some extra tips for this as well, so keep unboxing photos, videos as evidence. That often required. Some shipping insurance claims may require contact with the logistics provider, and Shopee will guide you via messages. You can also track the progress under my purchases, view details, refund, return status.